Hey, a Saturday morning runnings with yours truly, Lady D, Denise Gomez. Welcome everybody. How you do? Wanna know what happened to me this morning? I hear a familiar sound. When me realize, no, the rooster a cock-a-doodle-doo. Wake me up because me have a errand. Oh, no, notice how me dress up nice. Yes, man. Me I go down a crossroad. But I want to share something with you now because when me wake up, me smell the familiar in the community. The neighbor over there, so we want scoop, scoop. The pot bottom a scrape. Then me hear somebody a stir up, and me know say some chocolate tea in there, you know. Then me smell something else. Me say, Lord, that smell like callaloo. Then when me come out a door, go round a back porch, over some me smell ackee. The familiar smell that comes from each household, no matter who a cook, when them a cook, if they're cooking the same thing, it always has a unique smell. So I'm taking you guys back because when you wake up now, you know, everybody have chores to do. But if you go out on the veranda like my grandfather used to do, Daddy Thomas, Daddy used to just sit out on the veranda and Mama take her seat on the back porch. We never saw anything like that. But wherever you would hear somebody calling out to Daddy from the main road, Mr. Thomas, or them calling Brashine, don't ask me. And then if somebody wants to come look for Mama, they come right around the back and they say, Morning, Miss Ruby. And Mama sit down in our favorite spot on the back porch. Lord, love them, miss them. However, there's always somebody, especially a lady, who is walking down the road and you see when they whiff get to her man that smell, she have to stop and call out. And for example, she would have say, Miss Amy, how we are cook inside there so? And then Miss Amy said, Lord Tiny, you know what me do every Saturday morning? And then Amy said, I bet you have some chocolate tea in there. And she said, how you know so? You want some? Come in, man. And you know, say, she not say no. She gone inside, man, and she will say, sit down there, sir. Miss Amy hospitable, you know. Sit down, man. And you see when she sit down, she said, what you want? Take what you want. And you know what up on the table? Chocolate tea, white bread or hard dough bread. Then you have some callaloo. And then she said, then I want one pot over there. So she said, I kid me, man, but he not ready yet. And she said, Lord, if me never have to go down a crossroad yet, you know, mother wait for your kidney. And she will tell her, I said, nobody wait for the kidney. Eat where you have right, yes, sir. Love them, love them. And you see when she get down in that. But when you look over in the side, you know, in a one nice little dish, bully beef. Yes, bully beef or corned beef as we know it. And you see when she enjoy up her breakfast and she belch. She said, boy, Miss Amy, a good thing say me pass this time, you know, 'cause you know me never get to look after nothing before me leave because me have to reach a town. What can I tell you? Jamaicans know how to share, and we experience that. People would pass by and just stop and give mama and daddy stuff, banana, yam, anything they had. But breakfast time on a Saturday morning was just nice. And I grew up enjoying the chocolate tea with white bread and corned beef. My auntie, one of them, used to love to give us that as children. So guess what? It is Saturday morning runnings and I gotta go. Me dress up, me go across road. But until next week, I'll be back with so much more of my favorite childhood journey in Penance in Clarendon, Jamaica. Anybody remember the love of their lives in country? Hold them dear to you. Stick and stay with me. I'll be back next week. Don't forget to email me inside the zone nyc at gmail.com. Hashtag ITZ Saturday morning runnings. Hashtag host Lady D. Until next week, everybody. Love you. Out of here.